Are you looking for the best garden hose reel wall mount? Retractable garden hoses are a game changer for anyone looking to simplify watering tasks while maintaining a tidy outdoor space. Their ability to automatically rewind, lock at desired lengths, and provide versatile spray patterns makes them indispensable for gardeners and homeowners alike. In this review, we tested 5 popular models across various price points, ranging from $69.99 to $165.99, to evaluate their build quality. Product number 1. Retractable Garden Hose Reel. The Glahoden Retractable Garden Hose Reel is a premium offering designed for large-scale watering tasks. With a 5/8-inch diameter hose spanning 100 feet, it delivers high water flow efficiency, reducing pressure loss and saving time during extended watering sessions. Its patented dual ratchet locking system ensures precise hose positioning, while its UV-resistant polymer casing provides durability in extreme weather conditions. The 9-pattern spray nozzle adds versatility for various tasks, from garden watering to car washing. In testing, the Glahoden performed admirably, offering smooth and controlled hose retraction thanks to its industrial-grade alloy spring. The self-aligning guide prevented tangling, while the reinforced 3-layer PVC hose resisted bursts even under high pressure. However, its hefty 29.7-pound weight and wall-mounted design may require careful installation. This model is ideal for users with large gardens or frequent heavy-duty watering needs, but its premium price may deter budget-conscious buyers. Product number 2. Pocket Hose Copperhead. The Pocket Hose Copperhead is a budget-friendly, expandable hose that prioritizes portability and ease of use. Its lightweight design and compact size make it ideal for smaller gardens or quick watering tasks. The innovative pocket pivot swivels 360 degrees, reducing strain and preventing creases at the spigot. The force-filled jacket and Tritex tubing provide durability, while its lead-free construction ensures safety for drinking water applications. During testing, the pocket hose impressed with its kink-proof design and ability to handle up to 650 psi burst pressure. The included 10-pattern spray nozzle offered versatility for various tasks. However, its 50-foot length limits its reach compared to larger models, and the expandable design may not suit users needing a more robust fixed-length hose. This hose is best for users seeking affordability and portability without compromising on durability. Product number 3. 3rd-generation retractable. Drinkosh's 3rd-generation retractable garden hose reel offers an impressive 130-foot hose length, making it suitable for large gardens and outdoor spaces. Its automatic slow rewind system ensures controlled retraction without kinks or tangles, while the 180-degree swivel bracket provides flexibility in covering wide areas. The UV and freeze-resistant casing guarantees durability in harsh climates, and the 9-pattern nozzle enhances versatility. In practice, the Drinkosh hose reel excelled in durability, withstanding over 20,000 retraction tests. Its brass fittings and leak-proof design ensured reliable performance, though its bulky size and 10-pound weight may pose challenges during installation. This model is ideal for users with expansive gardens who prioritize long hose coverage and robust construction. Product number 4. Retractable Garden Hose Reel. The Hainan Retractable Garden Hose Reel combines affordability with functionality, offering a 100-foot hose and a reliable slow retract system. Its triple-layer PVC construction ensures durability under high pressure, while the 80-degree swivel bracket allows for flexible watering coverage. The 10-pattern nozzle provides versatility for various tasks, and the UV-resistant casing enhances longevity. The Hainan performed well in testing, with smooth retraction and leak-free operation. Its lightweight design made installation straightforward, though its plastic casing may not be as durable as higher-end models. This hose reel is a solid choice for users seeking a balance between functionality and affordability without compromising on essential features. Product number 5. Hose Reel 1/2 x 100 feet. The WikiWiki hose reel offers a sleek and compact design with a 100-foot hose and intelligent auto rewind feature. Its high-performance hybrid material ensures durability and leak-proof operation. The 10-pattern nozzle provides versatility for gardening, cleaning, and more, while the 180-degree swivel bracket allows for flexible coverage. In testing, the WikiWiki reel demonstrated smooth retraction and reliable locking at desired lengths. Its lightweight design made installation easy, though its semi-automatic operation may require manual adjustments. This model is ideal for users seeking a stylish, mid-range option with essential features for everyday use.